All right, so we've got our circuit in for our water box, and I went ahead and mounted this switch right on the water hose because I can open up this hatch, and I always turn this light on when I'm filling the water tank so that I can see the level more easily. And if I'm filling the water tank, I'm opening this up anyway. So it's placed here for convenience, and it's working. This little connector here is pretty nice. It's separating these two circuits, right? So we have our positive coming in, going on the blue side of the circuit to that part of the switch, and then our positive coming out on this side, staying on the red or orange side of the switch, and that's how that works. So it's as simple as switching gets, and we are good to go. So my electrical box has two lights, one here, one there, and the conductors go to this branch circuit clip, and it's from this that we will, we're going to do another toggle switch. So we'll get that in like that. It's just going to be up, down, so we can just turn this area on and off when we need to. All right, so we got the toggle switch installed for the electrical box. It's going to be nice because I have access under here. Just come in, pop it on, turn it off, and we'll have light. And then we got our two leads here ready to splice it. All right, let's test this out. And we have light. So that circuit has been integrated into, well, what looks like a mess of branch circuits. The easiest way to support this channel and this content is to click on the link in the description of this video and go over to Amazon on my affiliate page and purchase whatever you need for your electrical project. These toggle switches shown here are perfect for one-way switching, and I have a link to everything you need for building out circuits like you saw in this video. In any case, that's all I got for you today. Thank you for watching, and we will see you around.